Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll give you an overview of the appointment module in Invent ERP. Let's get started. You can access appointments in two ways. First, from the Appointments module directly. Second, from the point of sale, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Click on Point of Sales. Enter your session. Once you're inside your POS session, go to Appointments. This will take you to your appointment scheduling dashboard. Let's take a quick look around. First, you'll see the calendar, where you can easily move between days, weeks, months, or even years. Then we have bookable items. These can be your service providers, rooms, or services you offer. Next, there's the slot duration section, where you can set how long each appointment slot should be and how it's displayed. You can also use the arrows to move between days or click today to return to the current date. Here, you can view your schedule in different layouts. Next, let's look at the appointments themselves. From the top left side of the page, you can take actions on any appointment. Another great feature, you can drag and drop appointments to reschedule them easily. And you can extend or shorten appointment times with a simple click and drag. And that's it, you've successfully explored the appointment module in Invent ERP.